Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 because of this error code, that is 0x800f0922 or 0x80240069. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So you can go to a Windows update, and then over here you can see pause, click on pause, and then once paused, resume the updates, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness. Again, set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, then click on restart. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run the command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. All the commands are provided in the video description. Now this will take some time. It will run a scan, and once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Windows 11 installation assistant. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and if you see update option or install option over here, you can do that and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. For this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, advanced options, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on it. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now, and this process will take some time, and once this is done, now you can check. And once you perform this option, fix problems using Windows Update, after this, restart your computer, and when you go to Windows Update, you will see the repair version of version 24H2. Once this is done, now you can try to update to 25H2. Still not working. The next step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Once again, click on media. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. Save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Once you click on finish, this will close automatically. Do not close this manually. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, and then click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so hit install. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, this will again take some time. After the installation, the system will restart your computer, and then you can log in and then go to Windows Update, and then you can click on check for update, and you should be able to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.